Assalamu alaikum dear children. Today we will continue our exercise 7.1 with the question number 4. The question is saying sec theta in the bracket 1 minus sine theta bracket close sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1. We have to prove that this whole term is equals to 1. So I have already taken LHS is equals to sec theta in the bracket 1 minus sine theta sec theta plus tan theta. The first step which we have to perform is just convert all the identities into the initials one, like sine, cos, okay. And especially when and the second part which we have to always keep in mind is to look at the RHS also. Over here we have to prove this RHS should be equals to 1, so it's quite okay, no problem. But when it comes to cos theta or sine theta, that means we have to convert all the identities into the basic ones, that is sine, cos or tan. So now let's begin with this solution. First of all, what we are going to do is we will convert all the sec theta or the tan theta into the initials one. As we are seeing, there is a sine theta. Sine theta is already there, so we will convert all the identity into the smallest one. So let's see. Sec theta will become 1 upon cos theta, but because sec theta is nothing but the reciprocal of cos, then 1 minus sine theta, will keep it as it is. Then over here sec theta again the reciprocal of cos theta, and tan theta is nothing but sine theta upon cos theta. Now just see, 1 upon cos theta into the bracket 1 minus sine theta. Now just see over here, as we can see, over here the denominator is cos theta, over here also the denominator is cos theta. As the denominators are same, so that means we can write like this, 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, now what we are seeing over here, देखो जो न्यूमरेटर है सारे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं. This one is being multiplied by this bracket is being multiplied by this bracket, and the same time the denominator is multiplying by the denominator. As you can see, there is no denominator, that means the denominator is 1, and we don't need to write when the denominator is 1. So what is going to be the next step is 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta upon cos square theta. Cos theta into cos theta will become cos square theta. Now what about over here? Just look at this step now very carefully. What I'm writing over here, 1 minus sine square theta upon cos square theta. How this comes now? As you know, there is an identity we have used, and the identity is saying a square minus b square is equals to a minus b, a plus b. As you can see this step, एक ये आइडेंटिटी है जो हम यूज़ करते रहे हैं. ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट ए माइनस बी, ए प्लस बी. ये वाला टर्म ऑलरेडी यहाँ था, ए माइनस बी, ए प्लस बी, दैट मीन्स ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. सो ए इज़ 1, 1 का स्क्वायर 1 ही हो जाएगा, एंड बी स्क्वायर दैट इज साइन स्क्वायर. ऑलराइट, सो नाउ 1 minus sine square will become cos square theta upon cos square theta. Now how this 1 minus sine square becomes cos square? Because we know this sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Therefore cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. देखो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, ये एक आइडेंटिटी है. ठीक है, हम साइन स्क्वायर को वहाँ पे ले जाएं तो क्या बन जाएगा, 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर. तो 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर की जगह पर हम कॉस स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव रिटन. नाउ कॉस स्क्वायर से कॉस स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया, क्या बच गया, 1. सो दिस इज व्हाट योर RHS ऑल्सो. RHS इज ऑल्सो 1. दिस वॉज योर LHS and this is your RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. You can just take the screenshots over here and then you can copy it down into your maths notebook.